Also another particular formula is to find the average. So in this case, we start with equal to, type AVE. Excel has that keyword featuring there. You can either type it out or double click on this. After you are double clicked, go to that, but you need to find the average, right? So go to that particular cell, starts from E9, press shift and go all the way to H9 and click enter. So this will give you the average. That's going to be 68.75. Now, if I were to pull this down, I would get the averages accordingly. So in this case, just to make sure, the average is from E9 to H9. In this case, it is E10 to H10. So the referencing is done appropriately. So relative referencing is done well, so we don't need to worry. So it's because of the formula that we have used here. In this case, it is average. In this case, it is sum. So likewise, Excel has got many different formulas you can use. So I'm going to give that demonstration for all of